Roku TV stuck in recovery mode and looping back to the same screen again and again? This usually happens because of a power cut during an update, corrupted software, or an internet connection issue. In this video, I will show you simple step-by-step methods to fix the Roku TV recovery mode loop and get it working normally again. First, let's try the basic power and reset method because this fixes the issue in many cases. Start by unplugging your Roku TV from the power outlet. After that, find the power button on the TV and press and hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps clear any leftover power from the TV. Now look for the physical reset button on the TV, which is usually a small pinhole on the back or side. Press the reset button once and then release it. After doing this, plug the TV back into power, turn it on, and check if it moves past the recovery screen. If the TV still shows the recovery mode, the next step is to let it update through the recovery screen. When the recovery screen appears, select your language first. After that, connect the TV to the internet. You can connect using Wi-Fi, or you can plug an Ethernet cable directly into the TV. Once the internet is connected, allow the TV to download the latest Roku system update. When the update finishes, the TV should restart automatically and continue starting up. If the update does not finish or keeps failing, try changing the internet connection. Connect the TV to a mobile hotspot or to a different Wi-Fi network and try again. If wireless internet keeps causing problems, use a wired internet connection instead. After the update completes successfully, continue the setup on the screen and see if the TV exits recovery mode. If the TV cannot connect to the internet at all, you can use the USB update option. On the recovery screen, select the option that says you can't connect to the network. Then choose the update via USB option. Download the correct Roku software for your TV model, copy it to a USB drive, and insert the USB drive into the TV. Follow the instructions on the screen, let the update complete fully, and allow the TV to restart. If the problem is still not fixed, you can try some reset button combinations. In one method, unplug the TV from power, then press and hold the reset button. While holding the reset button, plug the TV back into power and keep holding the button for about 20 to 30 seconds. After that, release the button and wait to see if the TV starts normally. In another method, unplug the TV and press and hold the TV's power button for about 20 seconds, and then press and hold the reset button and plug the TV back into power. While still holding the reset button, press and hold the power button again for about 30 seconds. Release both buttons and wait to see if the TV exits recovery mode. There's one more reset method you can try while the TV is already in recovery mode. When the recovery screen is showing, start pressing the reset button repeatedly. Watch the light on the front of the TV and wait until it stops flashing and becomes solid. When the light becomes solid, press and hold the TV's power button and check if the TV starts normally. As a final software attempt, unplug the TV completely from power, press and hold the reset button for about 30 seconds, and then release it. Leave the TV unplugged for several hours or overnight. After that, plug the TV back in, turn it on, and check if it finally gets out of the recovery mode loop. That's it for this video on how to fix the Roku TV recovery mode loop. I hope these step-by-step methods helped you get your TV out of recovery mode and back to the home screen. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and useful tech fixes. If any of these steps worked for you, or if you have a question, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.